So let's go back. Let's go way back. How long do you think people have been complaining about doing laundry?
That's easy. The beginning of time.
Almost. The first evidence of using soap to wash clothing actually goes all the way back to the ancient Egyptians. So you're talking over 5,000 years ago.
Wow. You know what? And the thing is that there really wasn't a big significant change for a long time. Not until 1851 when the hand-cranked washing machine came out.
Can you imagine having to hand crank your way through all your laundry every day?
Yep, I'm imagining it right now, and it seems awfully horrible.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you know what? Humanity was saved with the mighty Thor.
Oh, the superhero. I love that guy. I prefer the fat Thor personally.
No, Dave, that's not what we're talking about. That is not the preferred Thor. Am I right, ladies? It wasn't until 1908, electric washing machine came out, and it was called the mighty Thor.
Oh, okay. So by that point, we had the hardware in place, but we still didn't have the chemistry yet. You know, back in the day of the hand crank, if you were washing laundry, you were using big chunks of soap. This was stuff that was made by rendering animal fat, mixing it with lye, potassium hydroxide, to make big chunks of soap. So if you wanted to use it, you had to whip out your trusty pocket knife and carve off a few slices into your washing machine. So the soap worked, but it really wasn't that great. You know, it didn't dissolve in water real well. It was really hard on the clothes because of the excess lye.
I can imagine.
And so just a few years before the Mighty Thor came out, the Lever brothers sort of got the first step moving. They designed or developed flake laundry soap that you could put in a box and then sell. So at least you were getting rid of the DIY step there.
I'll bet they were thrilled to have that, though.
Absolutely. Now, the soap still wasn't that great, but it was almost 50 years until we started to replace soaps with surfactants. Now, surfactants are long-chain molecules that have water-like molecules on one end and oil-like ends on the other. So what these do is they actually help the water grab the soil in your clothes and pull it out in the wash. Now these things dissolve more easily in water, you can use less of them, and they're just more effective and they're easier on clothes. Cool. And it wasn't until the end of World War II where these surfactant-based detergents replaced soaps, and we started to see the laundry detergent that we know of today.
Welcome to the OdoShow.